Crystals for love and romance. That's what I'm talking about today. I've got 6 must-have love and romance crystals for your collection. Hi, I'm Tanya. I'm coming out of Aradia's closet to help you create, cultivate, and live a more magical life. Hello, my beautiful friends. Thanks again for joining me today. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Tanya. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And don't forget to check out the description. I'll list all of the crystals I talk about today and a link where you can pick some up for yourself. With so much information about crystals out there, I wanted to break down exactly why I chose these particular crystals and how they relate specifically to love. These 6 crystals are Aquamarine, Tiger's Eye, Pink Calcite, Rose Quartz, Rhodochrosite, and Clear Quartz. I use these 6 crystals in various combinations to construct 3 different crystal grids for love, and I'll put a link to those videos in the description as well. Aquamarine is a shade between blue and green. It was believed to be a treasure of mermaids and has been used by sailors as a talisman of good luck. As a love stone, it encourages a lover's return. It helps 2 people with different backgrounds to coexist. It can help rejuvenate the love of 2 people long together, and it can aid in self-healing through love. Tiger's Eye is a yellow-brown color with a band of yellow gold running through it. It's one of the crystals that aids in the awakening of the Kundalini. It enhances our efforts to change our relationships and is said to balance the yin and the yang. And as a quartz-based crystal, it will boost the energy of the crystal or group of crystals that surround it. Pink calcite is a soft pink color. As a love crystal, it strengthens the bond between 2 people. It cleanses and refills the heart with love. It connects us to the divine and opens up the heart chakra, and it helps in general overall to help attract love. Rose quartz is a soft pink color. Cupid, the Roman god of desire, and Eros, the Greek god of love, gave humans the gift of love in the form of rose quartz. As a love crystal, it strengthens our link with compassion and supports unconditional love. It also helps to strengthen our bonds between us and our partners. To attract a new love or to renew an existing love, take a piece of rose quartz and place it underneath your bed. Rhodochrosite can range from a soft pink to a bright red in color. It opens up the heart chakra and is the quintessential stone for love and romance. Its vibrations can reunite you with a lost lover. Take a piece of it and set it next to their picture. It can also help to mend rifts between any of our relationships. Clear quartz is the most versatile and multidimensional stone for many things, including attracting love. It's great for gridding. It's quite easily programmable, and it can help to enhance crystals or group of crystals that it's around. And that's it in a nutshell. 6 crystals for love and romance: Aquamarine, Tiger's Eye, Pink Calcite, Rose Quartz, Rhodochrosite, and Clear Quartz. If you've gotten value out of this video, please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And remember, the hardest part is getting started.